Well, good afternoon, traders. It's the middle of the day here, April the 11th. Today the 11th? Yeah, April the 11th. This is Thomas T. Ryan and Company. Welcome all you subscribers to the newsletter and subscribers on YouTube. Thanks so much for following along. Going to give you a brief rundown on how we do things here again and cover a couple of our current trades, give you a sense of how we do this. Again, there's the stats up at the top. The market has pulled back a little bit, still plus 0.4. Very flat market for the year so far. Frustrating. It's a total snoozer. We're managed to pull out 2.7% gains on the dailies, and we're flat, down slightly still on the weeklies, but coming back. If you want to see how we do this, I was going to show. There we go. So again, you see the stats here. Last 30 days we've come up nicely, and so you see this trend going along here. This is our hypothetical $100,000 portfolio. Obviously, if you were trading a smaller portfolio, commissions are going to make a little bit more difference to you. If you're trading a larger portfolio, you would see even larger gains than that if you were trading a 1% risk, which is what we pretty much always tell everybody: never risk more than 1% on any given position. FYI also, TC2000, I started doing these videos probably about a year ago, and I did them just because I know people were interested in how we do things, and we can promote our service a little bit. At the time, TC2000 did not offer any kind of incentives for folks, but they are offering incentives now. So while I did not get paid, and I still haven't actually been paid anything by TC2000, not a knock on them, just haven't had that many people sign up for it. But if you do sign up for TC2000 through this URL here and my affiliate page, they'll send you a $25 coupon for the service. So we'll remind you again that always trade at your own risk, and trading is not suitable for everybody. Losses are possible to some or all of your capital, and we're only giving illustrations here. We're not trying to be a specific advisory service. We have no clients that we manage money for. We do this all for our subscribers and for myself personally. We do not trade for other folks in any way, shape, or form. So we're not an advisory firm, and we don't hold anybody else's capital. So anyway, let's take a look at Paychex. PAYX symbol, and the stock is moving up nicely today, as you see over here. Again, we'll cover my TC2000 screen here. Monthly charts over here on the left, weekly, daily, hourly, and 10-minute. These time frames are all separated, generally speaking, by a factor of 5, sometimes a little less, a little more, but that's what you want to do so you can tell the influence that each has on the other. They all have an influence on the other. You don't want to be trading daily trades if generally if you're not in some kind of uptrend. We are all, and that's the other thing, we are always trading with the trend. We are never counter trend, almost never counter trend traders, unless we find the market is moving immensely strongly in a particular direction. We may take some counter trend positions that look technically like they could support the trade. So here we are trading the Paychex trend, long weekly trend here, long monthly trend as well. Strong technicals on the monthly. That MACD is moving up nicely. This MACD is a little bit broken here on the weeklies, but it's still a good solid uptrend. It looks as though it's holding the trend right here, and sure enough, it had a very nice oversell here. So this is really, so far below the averages. When we got in it down here, we thought at the very least we could hope for a pullback up into these averages, and that seems to be what we're getting right now. So we're still not at 1R on this, but we're probably going to get a 1R on it today or tomorrow. We came in right here, right there, over this high right here, and so we're moving up here now. Hopefully we'll get up into maybe $60 or so. That would be nice. We'll take another look at we're short and long right now. 2 stocks on the daily trades. This is Hanes Celestial Group. Again, we are now trading this downtrend. Here was the overbought situation right here. Stock went up, filled this gap right in here, and started to turn back down again, keeping in line with this trend. So this looked like a good entry point. I don't know the exact day. I think we entered right about here. We almost stopped out right here, but did not. And now the stock is behaving a little bit more correctly on it. We still haven't closed 1R on that, but we are profitable. So we have a profitable long and a profitable short going on at the same time, which is always nice. Anyway, that's where we're at, and I hope you all can stop by and join us. ttryanco.com. Free trial for 30 days. No credit cards are required. Thanks so much.